What is up, guys? Sonduren Fanarredha. Today I want to do a video showing you my Attainable dream garage. All the time I work in the garage for all of my hobbies, cars, motorcycles, detailing, etc. So I spend a lot of time in here, so it's super cool that I've been able to kind of make my own attainable dream garage actually happen, where I can do all those things and everything's super like placed where I want it, and it all makes sense in terms of how you actually operate on a day-to-day, whether you're doing maintenance on your car or detailing or whatever it may be. So I just want to walk you through kind of like, this is the garage I'm very excited about to show you. It's got the epoxy floor, which is also very nice. And everything is just set up in like a really intuitive way for what I want to do. Like in terms of detailing, I have my, buckets here. So I have these just standard buckets with the grit guards inside of them. So those are pretty standard. We see that all the time. I have about 4 of them here. And that just makes it super easy to clean the cars without instilling swirls and scratches in them. Also, I'm gonna be posting all these links in the description box down below so you guys have access to it. But I got this shelf actually from Amazon as well. You can find this at Canadian Tire. It carries all of my detailing supplies. So you can see I have all my cleaners, my compounds, my polishes, my actual polishers. I have a 21mm throw dual action polisher and a regular Porter cable dual action polisher. So I have all those there. Basically everything I need in terms of detailing is here. All my car oil and such is all right here. The little green Bissell machine, lots of car shampoo, lots of car detailing stuff, basically all on this side. And then right over here is like my drawers for all of my detailing cloths. So my microfiber towels, drying cloths, etc., my polishing pads, they're all right over here. And this makes it very easy to access. It's all just like within hand's reach, and they're beside each other, and that's perfect. And here, obviously, this is where I'll put all of my dirty, cloths, anything that's all dirty and everything. I just put them all here, and this is my recycling, all that other trash. And as I come along here, the garbage is right here, which is cool. And I have my big red, where if I'm ever working underneath the car doing an oil change, I'll just go on this. Makes it so much easier. I'm getting older, my back is hurting. Windshield wiper fluid, just a bunch of stuff here, like mechanical car stuff. I got my tires on for the Lexus, which I'm going to switch over to these summer tires. I'm still on the winters. I got the chair here, when you want to just lounge and just look at the car, you can just sit on this nice office chair and just chill. Bunch of stuff here. These just hold like my broom. This is for the jack, and this is for the Stanley wet dry vac. So this is going to be the one that I use to go ahead and just clean the car inside and out. Really easy. It's portable. It's on wheels, so I can take it outside to the Lexus, which is out there, or I can just keep it in here and just do the R8. I have my detailing lights. These are lights that I look for swirls, marks, and scratches. And then all of my stuff here, which is mainly all the stuff related to like the mechanical stuff, WD-40, adhesive remover, sensor cleaner, Gojo, all of my detailing brushes for the wheels. And then here I got the faucet for the water, and I'm actually getting the hose. I'm getting a 50-foot hose, one of those very light ones that are expandable, and I'm just going to wrap it here. And then my electric pressure washer, 2000 PSI Simonize. So that's really everything I need. This is like a real dream garage. It's a full-size garage, which is really easy to work on all the time, especially if you're detailing or doing any mechanics. And all of this stuff here, it's like there's a lot of space. And that's the important part, is that there's like a lot of space to do this work in, and it's very clean and organized. Like I'm very OCD, so if things aren't clean and organized, I just lose my mind. But this is where I keep the R8. It'll be where only the R8 kind of sits, and then the Lexus and my fiance's Lexus will just sit out here. But this is honestly an attainable dream garage for anyone looking for a space where they're doing their work and they can do it in a comfortable way. It's really not that much stuff. It's really a shelf that you dedicate to all your detailing stuff. It's a bunch of shelving units for your cloths and detailing stuff. Another bin for all your dirty rags and everything. And then really just another shelf full of all like the mechanical stuff. And then you have your essentials, which is like a pressure washer, a hose reel guide, the actual vac, some lights, a chair, a bunch of your obviously tools are all here. So I actually have my other toolkit on the other side. But everything is just here, the jack stands, the wrenches, etc. it's very like sufficient and convenient, and everything's here. So I want to share that with you guys. I'm excited. You'll see a lot of videos going to be done in this actual garage, and it's a great space to do it in. So I'm very excited. If you guys like this video, make sure you like it, subscribe to the channel, guys. Thank you guys so much again, over 20,000 subscribers, which is really cool. But this is where you'll see a bunch of those detailing videos that are going to come out this year, where we're going to be recording them. I plan on doing a ceramic again on the R8. It's been 2 years since I applied the Optimum ceramic gloss coat onto the R8. So I'll do a test of like the 2-year mark, how has it held up? And then I'm gonna be applying another ceramic because I'm gonna go ahead and repolish the car. And I'll show you guys how we actually take off any existing ceramic that's still on the R8 paint. But thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.